Okay, friends, so we will be doing now the next topic, and that is your style. And this is something amazing. It will take some time for explanation and for practice, but this is very, very important topic in MS Word. So I open a file number 6, that is your style practice. Okay. Now what happens over here is I say first enable editing, and over here, if you observe, these are your styles, which is already created by MS Word. Heading 1, normal, heading 2, for title, for subtitle. You can use all these styles. It has some another use also. This style we will also use to create TOC, table of content, which will come little bit later. As of now, simple style, a concept. So what happens over here is if I select this quarterly review, and if I come over here and I say heading 2, so you see it became like this. Again, I came over here and I click on heading 2 and it became like this. So this is already created style. But in this, we will learn how do you create our own style, my own company design, so that I can use it on all my heading. So for example, what I will do is I will first select this text and I will create a formatting on this whatever way I need. So I select and I want this always to be bold. For example, it should be of green color. It should always be underlined. Naturally, font should be same of all times, but just to give you an example, I'm changing the font over here and I say, for example, Arial. And it should be of Maslan size 14. Got it? So let's say this same style which you have designed, formatting, you wanted to save somewhere so that you can use it in another headings, or even if you get another file in that also you can use it. So this is very important. I will be covering. Step number 1, after formatting, you will select that same text on which you have applied. And after this, now friends, you go here in the home. This is your home. And over here, do you see this drop down over here? This drop down. I click on this drop down. And over here, you get an option, create a style. And wait, when I come on this, do you see the small, this help button it gets you? What it will do, read it. Create a style based on the formatting of a selected text. This sentence is very important. Means it will create a new style now on the base of the selection. So I click on it and it will ask me the style name. So for example, I say my new style, or whatever name you want, you can just give it. And it's showing you the style, and I just say, okay, I think that's all. Khalas. Now what will happen? Now you came next day and you open a file next time and you want to open the same style over here. So you will just copy, select this, and in home, do you see this style? And you see the new style has come. Same style has been added over here. So I click in the, this is known as the gallery. So it applied over here, and I come over here and then I can even select this and I can click on this. Got it? Understood? Wait, I will go in more detail. Now, what happens if you create a new file? Will this style come? Let me try. I say Control N, new file. And in new file, I'm typing over here, for example, my name, Ramzan Rajani. And I want to apply the same style over there. So I select it over here. And here you get option, my style, Nadia, and all this. But you don't get my new style. My new style has not come. This my style is, I did it for other session for that. But my new style has not come. It means that style which I have designed in that file, it is not coming in new file. Now I have to do one setting. Now I will show it to you. Okay, this is important part. So I come in this file, and what I will do is I will right click on this style. This my new style, I will right click and I will say modify. I go to the modify, and in modify now friends, below, do you see this option? Only in this document means this will be available only in this file. So I say no, new document based on this template. So I say in new document also, you put it. And I say, okay, done. Should I open a new file? Yes. Should I type my name, Ramzan Rajani? Now, when I select it, I should get my new style. And here is your my new style. Got it? So first you created the formatting on a data. You went to the home, you clicked on this and you said create style. So you will practice this. You will create a style, give a name, then you apply. Then you can even right click on this and say modify, and then you can say put this in the new document setting as well. Got it, everybody? So this is very, very important thing. And the beauty of this is going to be a little bit bigger topic. And the beauty of this is what, friends, I will tell you one very nice thing. I love it. Let's say here you have applied. Now you see the magic. I right click on it and again I say modify. I say modify. And now here I'm changing the color to red. And I say, okay. You see all three heading has become red. This is the beauty. So once you change style, so this is the benefit of creating a style on your MS Word document. Okay. Got it, everybody? So make sure you practice this. And when you are done, put it under the chat box, done. And then we will move to the next topic. Thank you.